My name is Asthi Singh. I study in class 7 and my school name is Model UPS Katra Gulab Singh Mandhata Pratapgarh. And today my topic is what is the positive effects of lockdown in our environment. Our environment. Our environment, like this scene, this is our environment, and you know it is a very beautiful because it is very neat and clean, our environment. And the need of our environment is we should food from the trees, and we get oxygen from the trees, and the oxygen, and the trees get carbon dioxide from the human, and we should drink water from the river, lakes, and ponds, and we should shelter from the wood of the trees. This is a need of our environment, and the environment can divide it into two parts, like first natural things, and second is man-made thing. Natural thing is like trees, soil, water, so, and sun, moon, sky. This is our natural things, and the man-made thing is like home, table, chair. Made, this is made by human, because this is made by human, so we call them man-made thing. The Charles Babbage's discover of the television, and they made television, so we call them man-made thing. And our, you know, our pollution, our environment is very beautiful, but some pollution can be polluted our environment. Pollution can be divided into four parts. First, noise pollution, land pollution, air pollution, and water pollution. And the noise pollution, you know, this picture is our, and the noise pollution, this picture, our earth is very sad because the noise pollution is very over, like listening music loud, and honking of the vehicles, and bursting of the fires. This is a very dangerous for our ear and our ears, and even make us deaf. So this effect of the noise pollution. And the land and plastic pollution. See this a picture. One man is go take a polythene and a plastic bottle. It is very harmful for our life. And land pollution is, we should do not take a noise pollution. And the water pollution, like this picture, a man can be like washing clothes, washing utensils, washing our body, and the animals body, washing. It is polluted our rivers, so how can we drink? And we drink this water, so we cause of the disease. And the air pollution, factories smoking, and the industries smoking, and the fume of the vehicles like buses, train, trucks. This is the side effect of the air pollution. It is very dangerous for our environment. How can we then stop this? We should growing more trees, and stop noise pollution, stop the all pollution, no use of the plastic. So but this lockdown, our pollution is very neat and clean in this lockdown, because no any cut trees, and no any vehicles in on the road, and no any noise pollution, no any pollution is clean in this lockdown. And the Biodiversity means like animals and birds. These our biodiversity. The pollution can be harmful for the biodiversity, but the lockdown, but our biodiversity is safe in lockdown, because no any cut trees is a life of the biodiversity. So we should do not cut our biodiversity. You know, this is our World Environment Day. You know, this is celebrated in World Environment Day. Oh, how can we celebrate the World Environment Day? Huh. We should grow one tree, any tree. We should grow one tree. Grow one tree. Like rose tree, neem tree, any tree you grow, but at this day, because this is our World Environment Day, it is a very need for our environment. Thank you.